Is it blinking? Alright, guys, I just got one on blue-black chatterbait. Right there. I don't think you guys can see it. Blue-black chatterbait right there. Now let's see if we can get some more. That's my second one here. So I'll get back to you guys with another one. Alright guys, got one on. Dude, I just flipped that thing like freaking. I changed over to a lipless crankbait and he hit in all that moss down there. Alright guys, so there's that fish. Right there, small one, but I saw him come out and get it, so it's pretty cool. Oh, I'm gonna get there. Another one, guys. I think it's a better one. On a jig. That's 3 fish on 3 different baits now. Finesse jig with the package craw. Right there. This is the bait. Fat chicky stomach. So I'll see you guys if I get another one. Right there. Mine's a good one, dude. Nope, never mind. I just had. Double up. Alright. See you guys. These two that we just caught. He caught his on a Bass Pro Shops worm, and I caught mine on a rattle trap. Alright, see if you guys if you catch any more. Doubled up. That's not a bad one. Yeah. Whoa, bud. No, it's like a sprayed grass color. Oh, he broke my craw. Small one. I want to do an underwater release, but I need to get a PVC pot, make a. What? Yeah, but like I can't get out there far enough to where I can. Have all next fish. Alright guys, got another one. On a jig again. This might be a better one, I don't know. Kind of feels like it. I don't know, I think I just caught him in the moss here. What? Yeah. We've been catching them. Either on rattle traps or jigs. There's another one. On a jig in it, I only have one leg because I left my bag over there, but on the dike. But I'm gonna try to see if I can get it underwater.